Let's try to send Maya through the tunnels.
Maya, come on. Come on. Good girl. What a smart girl you are.
Good.
Now let's see if she goes the other way. Maya. Good girl. You're so good. Love this dog, man. She's awesome. Dun, dun, dun.
Alright. So you're gonna send her one more time through this straight one, and that way we got both tunnels on the video. And a Polo Canine Ghetto video. I'm gonna change from Polo Canine to Ghetto Canine. Alright. This kind of exercise is good for her self-esteem. Alright, Maya, here, sweetie.
Oh, she dropped whatever.
Maya, here's some.
Maya.
Maya.
Right there.
Hey.
Maya, right there.
Maya.
Right there.
Alright. Oops, there you go. Alright.